In front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate dial pad tones on this device. So first of all, just take a look. As you can hear, currently it is active, so there is sound connected with each tap of yours, or of mine actually, and then whenever you want to change it, just reach the settings, find and select sound and vibration, click on system feedback, and here you can smoothly unmark dial pad tone. And from now on, it will be muted. As you can hear, there is no sound connected with each of these tabs. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.